Hey yo, good morning Dragonites, what's up? How you guys doing? Is everyone good? Everyone's great? Yeah? Yeah, what's up? Guys, okay. Guys, please let me know what you think of like the previous video. Like that was my freaking first music video, first ever directed, like it was, guys, I feel accomplished. That was the first time, like I felt like literally like a music producer, dude. And like a movie director, like you have no idea. Wait, hold up. You will be introduced in due time, young one. So if you guys can see the title and thumbnail, and we'll get to that in a bit. But if you want to like skip forward to it, just click on this time. Okay, see that time? Yeah, just click on that time and you can jump straight to it and we get into the title and thumbnail. But for now, we have a special guest with us, as always. Would you like to introduce yourself, special guest?
I don't want to introduce myself.
Hi, special guest. How are you doing, special guest? I'm called special guest. I'm in a freaking one piece. I'm in like a... Look at the goosey! Oh! I want to see if you can see this. Yes. See, guys, the goosies. Yo.
My hair's different again from the last time I did it.
You always have freaking different hair. You. Oh yeah.
And cereal?
No, because I told you to have cereal at your house and you're like, I'll have, and then you didn't have.
I was watching YouTube.
Sounds like a problem. Short shite. Okay, so we're gonna see what we have in store today. We're just gonna be chilling. Then, actually, I think we're going to the mall in a bit. Yeah, we're going to the mall. Hey. So now we're on our way. There's my brother, my dad, and my mom in the car. Jesse, gang, brother, come on, let's see me. There's I'm with my baby in the car. What's up, guys? So we're gonna go. Apparently, we have to face some of his friends. So, babe, please grab the keys and. Oh, actually, I'm good. It's okay. It's cool. It's calm still. It's calm still. Good, babe.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. If you say so. Guys, you know how hard this is to like.
Why are you doing it?
Because I'm a YouTuber. Closing the gate. Closing the gate. They're leaving us. Yes, baby, they're leaving us. Okay, let's get a move on. I'm gonna fetch Caden and Mr. Jared. Let's do this, boys. Someone's door is not closed. God damn it, baby.
Well, it's proper open though.
Yo, sketch city, you know. Like what even? Okay, so we all made it. We're all here at freaking Greenstone Mall, my guys. Yeah. Oh, we're British. This is DJ British. You good, brother? Yeah. Wait. Okay, so we kind of came because my brother wants to get a Nintendo Switch. Yeah, guys, I miss work. I miss work. Hello? Okay. Okay, so we came, my brother wants to get a Nintendo Switch, and my mom wants to get us like some clothes and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna go sort that out. And then, yeah, man. Okay, and we decided now, my mom says she wants to get us clothes as well. So now we're looking for hoodies.
It's the work with what you were supposed to work with, I think.
Yeah.
Guys, my mom cut her hair. Hi, mom. Cut her the vlog. You good? Okay, let's get. There's hoodies there. Let's go check. And I was also thinking of like doing sneaky flips, guys. So like, I would sneak up and then just do flips behind people.
Until they split backwards and then like.
Yo, yeah. Dad, are you gonna do it with me, bro? Sneaky flips, bro.
Yeah, what?
Are you sure?
Try.
Oh, let's get it. Check my dad there on his phone, bro. Daddy.
Fuck sakes.
Daddy. Okay, so my brother just flipped check Jared. Let's see if he's got the balls. I get you, brother. I get you. Keep it passing. I'll line that. I'll line that, bro. I'll line that. Nice. My mom just said to me that she's like, because I did a flip, she's like, no, there's corona on the floor there where you're touching. And I'm like, no, viruses don't live on surfaces. They live in hosts. Bacteria lives on surfaces. Walk you. What?
So we're at Woolworths, right? Okay, go. Listen.
You must look behind him.
False me. Okay, go.
The lady stole something. What you gonna do? What you gonna
Why is it doing this?
do? What?
Make-
Take a guess, man.
No, I can literally feel the floor. Now it's your turn.
I literally emphasized that landing, bro. Like,
I'm mad because the whole ground felt like it was going like this, yeah.
just down to the ground like this.
Yes.
Yo. I see what you mean. That's scary, yo.
Yo, scary.
Okay, we got our stuff. Now we're gonna go back home. Cyclist mask. You good, Dad? You good? Yeah, man. Yo, what's up? Okay, so we're leaving the mall now. Got all the stuff. And yo, here they are. Aren't you fetching the boys? Aren't you taking? What? Oh yeah. Pardon? Oh, okay. Shop. Oh, okay. Shop. Kill. They're gonna Stone Ridge. Kill. I'm gonna. This person. Oh, this is a nice beam. Oh, I see. Okay. So, you can show this off if you want to.
I know, it's fine. I'm holding it shut.
There's Jack. What's up, Jack?
Are you
Hey, buddy. What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about, man? Oh, hey. Yo guys, okay, so we got you right? And I've got a Xavier, what's up, brother? Yeah, bro. And then Kelly there at the back. Kelly! Hello, Pup. And this is his new car, right? I mean, this got the same as mine, boy. I mean, let's go. And now we're gonna try to put in the sound.
Make a mistake.
You won't put on the volume, wait.
Make the biggest mistake ever.
What mistake did you make, buddy?
Wrong size of speakers.
So basically,
What Uncle Calvin done?
Basically, Pip is a dom now.
Yeah. Basically what Calvin done is he got here. He bought himself What size is this? 5x9s.
6 inches.
6-inch speakers.
That dude said
He bought himself 6-inch speakers.
I mean,
6-inch speakers to fit in a 6x9
in a 6
hole, basically.
But that dude tuned me that it will fit, you know?
But it is what it is.
It is what it is.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, guys, okay, we got back. We got the sound, the right one, and now Xavier needs to just go fetch his mom. Oh, wait, pup, check in a butt. Oh, wait. Okay, so we didn't get the sound. Yeah, they didn't have it. Darn it. Darn it. Hold on, how am I? No.